and Mr. Hicks will be required to appear before the court for a pretrial hearing. If the terms of the program are successfully completed, the case will be dismissed. Good luck, sir. We'll see you next year.
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you, Judge. Have a good day.
And Your Honor, we're ready on Brooks.
Okay, what are we doing?
We're going to accept the people's offer.
Okay. Version. Okay. You can question your client as to the for the voluntariness of the waiver.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Mr. Brooks,
Yes.
you understand you have a right to have a hearing on this matter. It is our decision to waive that hearing and accept the people's offer for diversion. Is that correct?
Yes, that is correct.
Anyone
Okay,
force you to waive your preliminary examination?
Excuse me?
Did anyone force you to waive your preliminary examination?
No, so no, nobody did, but waiving my the examination, what does that mean exactly?
That means we're not gonna take testimony to when the police and prosecutor would have to prove that the felony offense of carrying a concealed weapon happened in the city of Detroit and that there's probable cause that you committed that offense. By waiving the offense, you'll be bound over to the circuit court and then you can accept the diversion offer.
Okay.
Is that what you wish to do?
Yes.
Court finds that the waiver was freely and voluntarily executed. Therefore, the defendant will be bound over to the Wayne County Circuit Court for further proceedings. We'll go to an immediate arraignment on the information. Does your client waive the formal reading and stand mute?
Yes, we waive formal reading, stand mute.
All right, we'll come back on October 6th at 11 a.m. to put the diversion on the record.
All righty.
All right.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Mr. Hicks, didn't we finish your case?
All right, Mr. Brooks, I'll be in touch.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, I was just I was finna figure out how to hang up because my phone is acting crazy.
Okay, we'll help you out. Melanie, can you remove Mr. Hicks from the courtroom? There you go. Mr. Brooks?
Yes, I'm leaving the meeting now, sir.
Okay, we're gonna help you out too. There you go. Mr. Anderson, you ready?
I represent Mr. Moorhead if he's available, yes.
Mr. Moorhead, can you hear us?
Yes.
Start your video. Call Moorhead.
Calling case number 21-58374, People versus Alonzo Isaiah Moorhead. Defendant is charged with 1 count, carrying a concealed weapon. Defendant is scheduled today for a hearing.
Good morning, Your Honor. Cal Major on behalf of the people.
And Gary Anderson on behalf of Mr. Moorhead, P27210.
Moorhead, state your name.
Alonzo Moorhead.
Moorhead, you still wish to be a part of the diversion program?
Yes.
It is therefore ordered that Mr. Moorhead is placed on diversion under the terms stated in the prosecutor's motion. The court will review this matter on September 2nd, 2022. In the event diversion is revoked, the case will be reinstated, and Mr. Moorhead will be required to appear before the court for a pretrial hearing. If the terms of the program are successfully completed, the case will be dismissed. All right. Good luck, sir. We'll see you next year.
Thank you, Your Honor. Appreciate it. Your Honor, Mr. Nazier, everybody have a good day.
All right, you too.
You too, Mr. Anderson.
All right, Melanie, is Witherell back in yet?
He tried joining again, but has fallen off. I think he's having.
He said he's logged in under his daughter's phone as well. Let me see.
There you go. He just rejoined. Is his daughter Trina?
Just bring it in. We'll figure it out.
Maurice, was there a letter on this case?
I don't know his daughter's name. What'd you say, Cal?
Was there a letter on this case? A gun
Yes.
board? Did you get an answer?
William Heafy submitted it. So it should be in the court file.
Trina's Galaxy. What?
think I'm.
Morning.
All right, Trina's Galaxy. What's your name?
Dominique Kellum.
No, okay, no. What? Okay, hello. And the baseball cap that you need to take off. What's your name? And start your audio. Trina's Galaxy. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Who said yes?
I think.
No. Okay. Kevon, Jovan, with Rose connecting to audio. Okay. Hold on. Let's see. Call Dominique Kellum. Well, hold on. Trina's Galaxy. Can you hear me? Trina's Galaxy.
You need to unmute.
Unmute yourself. Who's in the baseball cap in the car?
Michael Campbell.
It's not him.
Michael Campbell.
Michael Campbell.
Do we have a Michael Campbell?
I don't see one.
Mr. Clerk.
I'm looking it up right now, Your Honor.
Okay.
Judge, I think I'm here on Kellum.
Okay, 1 second.
Take your time.
Your Honor, what's Mr. Campbell's date of birth?
What's your date of birth, Campbell?
11/17/1993.
Mr. Campbell has a court date before you, Your Honor, on October 18th at 10 o'clock.
Okay,
that,
so
Mr. Campbell?
Yes.
October 18th. This is the same Zoom room, and make sure you're not wearing a hat that day. All right, we'll see you then, sir.
Okay, y'all have a good day.
You too. All right, Mr. Davis, call your client. His audio is still not connecting. While that's happening, call Dominique Kellum.
Calling case number 21-60316, People versus Dominique Latrice Kellum. Defendant is charged with 1 count, carrying a concealed weapon. Defendant is scheduled today for a probable cause conference.
Good morning, Your Honor. Cal Major on behalf of the people.
Mr. Kellum.
Good morning, Your Honor. Stanford Shulman appearing on behalf of Dominique Kellum, P43230. I note that Kellum is participating by way of video conferencing.
Oh, here we go.
And with his consent and permission.
State your name.
Dominique Latrice Kellum.
Okay. Mr. Nager.
Your Honor, Ms. Kellum has been approved for diversion.
Your Honor, the only thing I would note is that I actually never got the actual assignment of the case, and I did get discovery, so there was a little hiccup here. But I'm encouraged by Mr. Nager's representation that this person, that Ms. Kellum is eligible for diversion. So that would certainly be something I'm sure that she was going to want to avail herself of.
What are you looking for? What are you looking to do, Mr. Shulman? Do you want to adjourn the PCC?
Yes.
Do you want to go into a breakout? Okay.
Just 1 week. That way I can just make sure I get the paperwork. And if I can give Kellum my contact information, that way they call me right away. 313-963-4740. Ms. Kellum, can you write that down?
Yes, hold on.
Yeah. And what date you thinking?
November 15, 10 a.m.
Okay.
I'm sorry, September 15,
Okay.
10 a.m.
Very good, 10 a.m. And Ms. Kellum, you ready?
Can I get the phone number again?
313-963-4740. And we'll see you on the 15th, and hopefully we'll have the diversion papers ready to go and will be resolved.
So it's November 15th,
September
No,
15th.
September 15,
September 15th. At what time?
10 a.m.
And do you have
Okay.
that? Do you have that phone number?
Yes, 313-963-4740.
Good. And we'll see everybody on the 15th.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
All right. Back on, did we call Withrow?
No, I never called it, John.
Okay, call it.
Calling case number 2157521, People versus Kenny Javon Witherow. Defendant is charged with 2 counts, carrying a concealed weapon, commission of a felony with a motor vehicle advisor. Defendant is scheduled today for a probable cause conference.
Cal Major for the people, Your Honor.
Reese Davis, P76203, appearing with Kenny Witherow, who's present and appearing via Zoom. Will you state your name for the record, Mr. Witherow?
Kenny Javon Witherow.
All right.
Your Honor,
Go ahead.
Your Honor, I received approval for diversion yesterday. I don't know if that's been placed in the file, but received an email yesterday.
Mr. Clerk, do we have anything on Withrow?
Witherow? No, sir, Your Honor.
Al, you have
So Judge, what came in from Mr. Heafy on Witherow is an attachment that shows the general terms of diversion, but I didn't get an actual, like, the order that we typically get. So I feel like maybe just Mr. Heafy forgot to attach the order. Did you get an order, Mr. Davis?
No, he just said the general terms. Yeah, it seemed like he
Yeah.
forgot to attach it.
All right, so it says your client at this point waive his right to the exam and we'll come back to put the diversion terms on.
Yes.
All right, question your client.
Or Mr. Witherow, you understand you have a right to have a preliminary exam?
Yes.
At the preliminary exam, they would have to show probable cause that a crime was committed and probable cause that you committed that crime. You understand that?
Yes.
And at this time, you want to waive the preliminary exam and have this matter bound over to circuit court. Is that correct? Frozen.
Do you wish to have this matter bound over to circuit court for the diversion program, sir?
Hello?
Yes, do you wish to have the matter bound over to the Wayne County Circuit Court to be part of the diversion program?
Yeah, I didn't even hear none of the.
Okay, all right. Maurice, question your client.
Okay, you wish to have this matter bound over to circuit court so that you can enter into the diversion program that you and I discussed. Is that correct?
Yes.
Anyone forcing you to take the offer?
No, ma'am.
Court finds that the waiver was freely and voluntarily executed. Therefore, the defendant will be bound over to the Wayne County Circuit Court for further proceedings. We'll go to an immediate arraignment on the information. Does your client waive the formal reading and stand mute?
Yes.
All right, we'll come back to put the diversion on the record September 15 at 11 a.m.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Maurice, I'm going to ask you to contact Mr. Heafy on this. He might have the order already, but contact him again.
Okay, I'll send him an email now.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right, you guys can log anything. You have anything else?
No, I'm all set. Thanks.
Thanks.
Mr. Collins, who do you have?
I have Carlton Orr, Your Honor.
Is he okay? Call Carlton Orr.
Calling case number 2158425, People versus Carlton James Orr. Defendant is charged with 1 count, carrying a concealed weapon, commission of a felony with the motor vehicle advisor. Defendant is scheduled today for a probable cause conference.
Cal Major for the people, Your Honor.
And good morning, Your Honor. Harold Collins, Speak 56805, on behalf of Mr. Carlton Orr, who is present by Zoom. State, sir.
Or state your name. Mr. Orr, state your name. Let's see. Start your audio. Unmute yourself and start your audio, Mr. Orr. Start your audio.
It's on.
Okay, there you go.
Okay, here we
State
are.
your name.
Carlton Orr.
Okay, Mr. Prosecutor.
Judge, Mr. Orr has been approved for diversion.
Mr. Collins.
Your Honor, we would accept that. I would speak to him briefly whenever the court allows.
You want to go in the breakout room?
Yes, Judge.
And you make sure you explain the waiver process to him. But
yes, Judge.
Melanie, please place them in the breakout room. Is Ms. Tieppo's client here?
No.
Call Fawcett.
Calling case number 21-58824, People versus Darian Fawcett. Defendant is charged with 1 count, carrying a concealed weapon. Defendant is scheduled today for a probable cause conference.
Cal Major on behalf of the people, Your Honor.
Good morning, Rebecca Tieppo, P62311. On behalf of Darian Fawcett, I'm standing in for the attorney of record, Mr. Hugh Marshall. Your Honor, Attorney Marshall indicated to me that he was not provided with phone contact information for Mr. Fawcett. He's not had any contact. Therefore, I don't have any explanation as to Mr. Fawcett's whereabouts at this time.
Mr. Nader, do you have a phone number for the defendant in the file?
Checking as we speak, Judge. Mr. Darian Fawcett, Your Honor, I have a number 313-742-8316. That's what I have in the file. I can also provide an address if that would help, Judge.
Yes.
All right, Ms. Tieppo, it's 16940 Log Cabin Street, Detroit, Michigan, 48203.
I'm sorry, that was Log Cabin Street?
Yes, Log Cabin.
And what was the zip, please?
I think I said 48203.
Okay.
Find it now again.
Your Honor, would the court like to set another date so
Yes.
that?
Yeah,
okay.
we'll adjourn the PCC to October 27 at 10 a.m. so that you can locate your client, get relevant information, write gun board, all that stuff. October 27th, 10 a.m.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Collins?
Yes, Judge, we're all set to proceed.
All right. You may question your client.
Your Honor, at this time, Mr. Orr, you understand that you would have in this matter an opportunity to hold a preliminary exam, and that right is guaranteed to you by statute?
Yes.
And you understand what that involves, and you have decided to waive that right to hold that preliminary exam in this matter. Is that correct?
Yes.
Nothing further, Your Honor.
Anyone force you to waive the exam?
No.
Court finds that the waiver was freely and voluntarily executed. Therefore, the defendant will be bound over to the Wayne County Circuit Court for further proceedings. We'll go to an immediate arraignment of the information. Does your client waive the formal reading and stand mute?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. We will return on September 29 to put his diversion on the record at 11 a.m.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge. And thank you, Mr. Collins.
Thank
All
you,
right.
Cal. I'll be in touch, Mr. Orr.
Thank you.
29th of September, 11 a.m.
Okay.
Mr. Lewis, who do you have?
Judge, I have Dimitri Eccles, if I'm pronouncing his last name right.
Okay.
And I don't see him on the screen, Judge, and it's up for sentencing. And I had emailed him the PSI before our original sentencing date. I did not hear from him. He did not appear on the original sentencing date. And I believe someone was standing in your stead that day.
Okay. Call the Eccles case.
Calling case number 2157915, People versus Dimitri Tyler Eccles. Defendant is charged at 1 count, carrying a concealed weapon. Defendant was scheduled today for a sentencing.
Morning, Your Honor. Cal Major on behalf of the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. May it please this court, Anthony Lewis, 43876 on behalf of Mr. Eccles. I do not know of his whereabouts. He has, as the court is aware, he did speak with probation, has completed the PSI, and I can't account for why he's not here. I would believe something has befallen the young man, and that's what's preventing him from appearing, Judge.
This is the second date of sentencing. Your client has failed to appear. The court will take into account the dangerousness of the offense and that this is a nonviolent offense, as well as the fact of his age and that the court cannot ascertain his ability to pay at this time. The court is going to set a capias in the amount of $5,000, 10%.
All right, Judge.
Judge, wait. No. Okay. Melon, you said he did log in?
He was here briefly right at 11 for a few minutes, but hasn't relogged back in.
Okay, I'm going to recall the capias, and Mr. Lewis, we're going to just have you hang out for a second to see if he reappears.
That's no problem, Judge. And if the court does not have another case pending, I would like to address the court on a case that should have come to your courtroom, but for some reason it did not.
Okay, let's wait 1 second. Melon, do we have anything else ready?
Shantia James is in the waiting room, but she's the only person left, no other attorney.
Great. Okay, continue, Mr. Lewis.
Judge, it is Jameer O'Neal. It is set for preliminary exam on the 15th in front of Judge Giles, but I just learned on Monday that that docket has been transferred to another judge. And I sent your prosecutor an email, but I guess it did not get to him. So I sent it again to see if we could get this case in front of you, because he turned 18 3 days before the incident. He has no prior record, and it involves it's a charge of CCW and resisting the police.
Well, that's the reason it did not.
Yeah, that would explain it, Judge.
If there's a second count, that's a felony. We only get cases where it's a CCW only and maybe a misdemeanor attached, like a driving offense. But because of the resisting and obstructing, it would go to that would be going to Judge Jefferson.
Okay.
Okay.
And on the day that I was in front of her on Monday, I did not see the prosecutor that would be handling it, because the case I had with her on Monday was a PAC case. And so I don't know who was handling it, but the prosecutor that was there on that day he told me to email him, and I did that so he could get back with me so that we could have paperwork all prepared for a waiver on the 15th, but I haven't heard back from that particular prosecutor.
Well, I recommend you call Jefferson's courtroom and find out who her regular just courtroom prosecutor is, and then take it from there.
Okay. And Judge, I do have some cases that's coming in the months ahead. If to your courtroom, if we, would you want to just keep them on that particular day, or if I'm able to get discovery and determine that it's going to be a plea, do you want me to do something to bring them in earlier or not?
Just wait for right now.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right, Mr. Lewis.
Yes.
Reach out to an assistant prosecutor named Matthew Stoloff. Just call and ask for him.
Matthew Stoloff. Okay. Okay, I will do that.
Mr. Lewis, if you have a number for Echoes, this would be a great time to call him.
I tried the number, Judge, and I got no response.
Mr. Clerk.
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
Can you reach out to Attorney Chambers? And did James Johnson reappear?
He called the courtroom, Your Honor, and said he had to go to work. But I tried to contact his attorney. I sent her a text message and I left her a message. I haven't got a response yet. But Mr. Johnson he said he was in the waiting room for like 2 hours today.
Sorry, he may have been in the wrong courtroom.
You leave a phone number.
Yes, sir. I have his phone number.
Call the case.
Okay. Calling case number 21-60322, People versus James Johnson. Defendant is charged with 1 count, carrying a concealed weapon, commission of a felony with the motor vehicle license. Defendant is scheduled today for a probable cause conference.
Mr. Nager.
Cal Nager on behalf of the people, Your Honor.
Defendant contacted the courtroom. His attorney never appeared. The pretrial will be adjourned till September 15 at 8:30. Mr. Clerk, please call and leave a message to let him know.